you've done the basics. Your pool is clean and free of algae. But there is one final step that will make your pool ultra high def. BioGuard Pool Complete Weekly brings a whole new dimension of clarity to your pool. Chlorine, shock, and algicide aren't meant to battle some of the cloudy-causing elements in your pool. But the targeted enzymes in Pool Complete Weekly easily break down oils, lotions, and other non-living things swimmers bring with them. Its select combo of minerals and cleansing agents also remove phosphates introduced by freshwater fill or landscaping runoff, while eliminating greasy buildup on the pool wall. All it takes is a capful or two a week to supercharge your filtration and create sparkling water you need to see to believe. Make Pool Complete Weekly the final step of your routine, and you'll spend less time fixing cloudy water problems while gaining an ultra high-def pool. It's simply amazing. Available only from your professional BioGuard dealer. Visit bioguard.ca or your dealer for more information.